Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomparada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. This will be my first video that I will discuss about one of the most common questions regarding about computer programming. Is a computer programming a talent, skills, or a gift? I have read so many questions regarding this from the internet, just like programming forums, just like Stack Overflow, and tutorials on computer programming. Nowadays, computer programming skills is very important. There are so many job opportunities to anyone who has a passion, talent, and inclinations in software development, whether it is web design, web development, back-end development, software engineering, so on and so forth. Now, this is my own personal opinion on this particular question. Is computer programming a skill, a talent, or a gift? Let me tell you about myself. I've been writing programs since the age of 18. I finished my course in University of Negros Occidental in 1999 with a degree in Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I've been writing software for the last 23 years, and then I have also a couple of years industry experience as a software engineer, team lead in one of the most very popular, well-known software engineering company in the world. But I spent many of my years working as a freelance software engineer and web developer. For me, computer programming is not a gift nor a talent. It's simply a skills. Let me support my statement. Computer programming is considered as skills because we acquire the knowledge, the understanding on how to write a program by studying the rules of the rules in problem solving. We are just learning programming tools, programming languages, and then translating the problem into code using programming language and solve. This means that we just acquire that particular skills rather than it is inborn to us. In my case, I take up computer science, so it is more focused on software development and software engineering. I have learned the principles of problem solving, algorithms, how to create a flowchart, pseudocodes, data structures, file organization, database concepts. Well, during our time, we don't have a subject on web development. I learned that on in my freelance job as a web developer specializing in PHP. So basically, the fundamentals in computer science like problem solving, algorithm, right, development, data structure, artificial intelligence help me a lot in understanding the different technologies, programming language, in writing a program. Nevertheless, programming language evolves, the tools and the problems, so I have to adapt. Anyone can learn computer programming if she or he devotes substantial amount of time. Learning how to program requires big amount of focus, determination, dedication, and patience. We cannot learn how to write a program in a single setting alone because we have to understand the problem solving process, what programming language to be used to that particular problem, how we can up with the solution, and then we perform a series of testing in order to check if the program that we have written is already passed through to the requirements of our customers or clients. I said also that computer programming requires big amount of patience. Yes, it is true because it is very seldom that we can write a program that runs for the first time when we compile and execute our program. In my experience, big amount of time is being spent actually not in writing the program but in the testing and debugging process. The other thing, if you are focused on computer programming, you need also constant practice. For me, at least you practice computer programming at least 30 minutes or 1 hour per day if you want to become proficient. But if you feel comfortable writing a program, it takes a lot of time, years of actual experience in writing program, and focus with a particular technology. In my case, my specialization is PHP programming, JavaScript, Visual Basic 6, before Clipper, Fox Pro, C, C++, Java, C Sharp, depending on the nature of the project needs. But most of the time, I'm more focused on web application. So I'm more focusing on the back end and front end using PHP, HTML, CSS, jQuery, a little bit of AngularJS, and SQL, MySQL or Oracle database. It is very important, guys, to know where your path is. What are the things you want to focus and specialize. For me, I specialize with web applications, so that's why I focus on that particular field in software engineering. I do also software testing, quality assurance, and documentation. So I hope that I was able to give you my insights whether a computer programming is a skill, gift, or talent. But somehow there are some people that they have developed such skills that their talent also helps them to excel in computer programming. That's why not all of us are very good in programming. Some are much guru or expert, but in my opinion, it depends on the degree of your dedication and passion in learning how to write a program. Well, thank you very much, guys, for watching this tutorial video regarding the question whether computer programming is a talent, skills, or a gift. My simple answer, in my personal opinion, it is a skills. So before we end, if you like this video, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So this is Jake Rodriguez Pumprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, saying bye bye for now.